Parang dito tayo sa Topsec or other people call it Top Shack. Look at that. Alam mo ba, yung mismo health center na namin yan. The good thing about Macau is that every area, laging may health center yan. Tapos kasama ng library. Di yan pwede mawala. Health center. Nani? Bata. Bata. Sabi niya. Doon na yung bus stop ko. Medyo malayo-layo yung bus stop ko. Okay, I'm almost near work na. So, dito kasi sa work, I have like a 1-month training sa Kapsan. Kapsan means like the ER. Pero sa ano ako sa loob kasi ng ER, may ward pa kami. Doon yung work ko for today. Mamaya na ako magsasalita. Malapit na ako sa loob. Wait na ako. Nito, but tan hai ko ko, koi ya. Okay la. Yeah. Go inside. So after this, I'm going home. And you know, fun fact lang. When you go straight ahead, this whole street, this is filled with shoe shops like Nike, Adidas, Vans, and so on. And oh, there's also a photo booth here. It's called Fallback. So if you want to take someone on a date, take them there. Anyways, thanks guys for watching.